So, yesterday you made me a video. I gotta slouch down. But yesterday you made me a video, and I'm making you one, because I told you. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm being loud. My mother's sleeping. Oh well. So, okay. This video, my old stuff, my California homo, my munchkin, my lifeline, pretty much my everything, you know. Jessica Gomez, what can I say about you? I don't know. Me and you, we've been through hell, and back to hell, back to hell again, and then back. But that's what friends are there for, you know, to go through everything together. And we've been friends for a good minute, and look where we are now, you feel me? So, I don't know, I'm really glad to have you in my life, because you're always there for me, as I am for you. And, I can't wait to see you, although it's only October, sad face. But, time will go by fast, and I can't wait to party with you, and sing the Kesha songs with you. But, yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm about to go to school, and I'll definitely hit you up when I get out of school, but I'm going to do the little face that you do, and I don't know what else to say, so all I'm going to say is I love you.